So who are you building for?
Because our company rose out of the ashes of the car fire, originally it was kind of narrow where we wanted to focus on the disaster recovery folks. But as we have moved forward and progressed, and the Camp Fire happened, and then over the last several years, I think the numbers are in the last 4 or 5 years, 50,000 homes and structures have been burned down in our wildfires. It's not only that, but we have a huge shortfall of total number of living units, here in California. And so we really want to help address workforce housing, affordable housing, disaster recovery, and homelessness recovery housing. Now, as we've moved forward with that, we are having other clients that are coming to us and are pushing us forward. So we're working on the first 3D printed church in the world right now. So commercial buildings and on it goes. The 3D printing really opens up a full spectrum of things. And so, but at the end of the day, we want to help address the California housing crisis. And so the whole spectrum, from homelessness recovery to custom built homes to workforce housing, everywhere in between, because one more unit built is one more family in a house.